Hey guys, it's Dean here again, but for this episode, we are going to actually be cleaning a real bolt-action rifle. This is just a regular Ruger 270, you know, very common, so a lot of people should be able to relate to this. So, to start off, what am I using today? Just rags, clean the barrel and stuff off, handle, using the small rods, using attachment here, 270 bronze brush. Also using the 270 cloth brush and the little patch attachment right here. Using Q-tips, as you can see right here, lubricating oil, cleaning oil, extra patches just in case I need them, and bore snake, 270 bore snake. First thing I do, even though I know it's unloaded, is just check that it's unloaded. So, okay, there's no reserve bullets, and there's no bullets in the chamber, so that's good. Alright, first thing you gotta do, you gotta take your wire brush out, okay, open up the bolt, because you want that brush to come all the way down the barrel. And that dust will come out right on there, so if you want to, if your gun has a magazine, open that up so the dust just falls straight down. Alright, so let's start it off. Run this just down your barrel. Shake it off a few times at the end. Pull it back out. And you should see dust come out when you pull it back towards you. And just keep doing it till dust doesn't come out anymore. Okay, once you are done with that, take the wire brush attachment off, put the cloth one on. If you don't have cloth, then just use a patch. Same thing. So, do the same thing here. Put it through a few times. This will pick up anything that the brush did not take out. Run that through a few times. Okay, take that out. That was actually dirtier than I thought it was going to be. Alright, now you gotta put your patch attachment on. Okay, I'm just going to experiment with a dry patch because I don't know if I need quarter or half. I think I'm going to need quarter. Yeah, I'm going to need quarter. Okay, so I just take my scissors. Cut it in half again. Okay, now what you do for this is you take this gun cleaning oil. I'm not going to do that just yet. You take the end of this and you just put it right in the middle. Make sure that's in the barrel, and then just push it through. It'll form to the barrel. Works great. Just make sure that's right in the middle and make sure that's in the barrel. So, open up the cleaning oil. Dip it in there. Oh, didn't get any. Running low in this bottle. Okay, there we go. Don't need a lot, I'd say about half, maybe. So since I didn't get all of it, I'm going to fold it in half. Alright, put that there. Just push through. And the patch will come out every time in the action. Okay, just run that through again. Boom, that time it fell through the mag. And you just run this through as many times as you have to. You just keep running it through till it's clean. Alright, and then I just throw it right there. Alright, next, dry patch. Clean off all of that excess. Oil. Again, came off in the action. Push it through. One more time, just cause. Okay, and after that is all done, you are going to, since I'm using quarters, you're going to have to cut another one. you are going to want to take the lubricating oil right here. Boom, just push that up a bit. Put a little dot right in the middle. You might not be able to, oh yeah you can. That little clear spot, that's what the oil did. I just want to put that right in the middle. Put the attachment, gotta tighten that up. Okay, put the attachment right in the middle of that circle, and put that circle right in the middle of the barrel. Boom. Just like that. Run this through. You know, same thing like always. So it makes this easy. Pretty much all the number of times, exact same. I'm just gonna run this through 3 times. Okay. Now if this is dirty, you need to go back a few steps. So this should come out looking just like it did. Okay? Just like it looked like when you put it in. Okay. So after you're done using all that, if you do not have a brush, this is what this bore sink is really for. You don't really need to do this plus that, plus the brush and the cloth. You don't need to. But I'm going to demonstrate how you use this. For this, I'm going to close the mag so it doesn't drop out the bottom. Alright, so again, take the weighted metal piece. Oh, take the weighted metal piece. I'm just going to put it in there. 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 Alright. So, see, came out the end of the barrel. So now, just pull. It is going to be a tight squeeze. It's supposed to be. This is what I do. I just wrap it up in my hand. Pull it out. Boom. Done with that step. Sorry that took a long time. Couldn't find the barrel. Alright. Now we are pretty much done, except for the outside. Which the outside in the barrel, that is the last thing I do. So now, we're going to take this bolt out, which usually on pretty much all rifles, there's this little lever on the back side. You just pull that out that way, and it just comes right out. Boom. Easy. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take one of these patches and do the main part of the bolt, the big part, with this. Yep. So you just go all over, everywhere. Okay, now if you miss a spot, or there's a small spot or something, then get your Q-tips out and start doing that stuff. So now since I'm done with that, I'll take one of these rags and just dry it off, because you don't want all that excess stuff. You just want it to be nice and smooth. So, not going to put that in just yet, because I still have to do the in here, in the action. So I'm going to take the magazine out again. I'm going to take this lubricating oil, put it all over there. Okay. I'm going to do this part down here by the mag. Then I'm going to go in there and I'm going to do where the slide comes in, the rails. I'm also going to do back here. Okay. This is by far the hardest part, and this isn't even hard. It just takes a little while, you know, get where you want to get to. So, might do in between these, this spring right here. Should be good. I'm gonna go over that right there. Definitely the rail again. That stuff where the firing pin goes. Alright, now we should be done with that. Okay, now again, you just wipe it off. Get all that excess off. And there, I don't usually, because it'll go away pretty fast. So now, just stick that back in. Some rifles you might. There we go. Now we're back at business. Alright, so now that I finally got the bolt back in, holy God. Now you just start, I just put a little bit of this oil on the cloth. You just wipe the barrel down. Take your fingerprints, all that jazz off. Make it look nice. If you would like to, you could put this on the wood. Make the wood all shiny. I do sometimes. But, yeah, not necessary. Alright guys, so that is the tutorial on how to clean just a basic bolt action rifle. So now, just test it out. Sticking a bit. Alright, so this is actually good that problem came up. So, you know, just get some more oil. You know. Or the problem could be in here. Never know. Alright, so that should slide in, lock down, get out. There, a lot better. Alright, so that is the end of the video. Next, I will do a Remington Model 870 shotgun. So that's what I'm going to do next, so tune into that. After that, I'll probably do a semi-automatic pistol, and after that, a revolver. And then maybe I'll just start doing random guns that I think you guys would like to see. So have fun out there, be safe, see you later.